Okay, so yesterday my car was making noise, and I know I was making noise. Went to like one of the AutoZone type places and put it on there, a diagnostic little machine, and showed nothing. So with the noise being a little louder, Tiffany looked under the car, and boop, you can see there's a gap.
There's a leak in the exhaust system. And so what I did is we went to Advanced Auto Parts to get this steel stick. It's going to come out gray with a black center. You're going to keep mixing it until it's the same consistency in the color. And you're going to go in there and you're going to put it into the gaps to seal it. And you're going to leave it. Now, some people are going to want to shave it down, all that kind of stuff, sand it. We don't need to do that. We're not worried about it. The main thing is because you're putting it on an exhaust. If you put on anything with heat, you want to make sure it has where it can handle the temperature. So this will withstand temperatures of 350 degrees. Obviously, dealing with exhaust, you want that. So now, to make sure you wear gloves. So now I'm going to go under here and put this putty into the gap to seal these holes.
So stand by for more.
All right. So now what I've done is, see how this putty, I'm wanting to seal. I should have showed you guys before what it looked like. So I'm just molding this. I want to make sure no air is getting through. So see how it's setting in now.
Because remember we talked about it. It had a gap in the exhaust.
Yeah.
system.
So imagine if, like I said, you had a glass of water and you put a straw in it and you blow bubbles. It's going to blow bubbles. But if that straw has a leak and you're trying to blow bubbles, the bubbles aren't going to be as strong. That's basically what's happened here.
Yep.
The seals, the lips on here have kind of come apart, so I'm filling this in.
Okay, I'll stand by. Go.
So this only takes 5 minutes to seal. So basically the job is done. If we wanted to, we can get in the car and we can drive. But then some people who want more preciseness, you're going to let this sit for an hour because you may want to go back through and sand and do all that. That's not necessary with this because at some point, you know, she's going to go ahead and get all of this replaced because as you can see, there's a lot of rust. And so eventually you just see how this is just falling. It's just going to continue to be a problem.
So this is just
a temporary fix.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cost about $11 for the stuff and what, $3 for the glove. So this is what it looks like. So see how it has that black in the middle? When you're using this, you have to just do this until it's all the same consistent in the color. I know I said that in the beginning, but I just wanted to show you guys again. So just like that, you got an issue like this, run out and go get some of this. If you don't have the close to what could be anywhere from $200 to $1,000 to get this fixed, less than 20 bucks, fix it.
So we should have let you hear how it sounded before, but it was pretty loud. So what we'll do is play it later on and let you see how smooth it sounds.
Hopefully this works, y'all.
Stand by.
Cross fingers.
So again, we're gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes and come back and see how it works. I may have said that already, but just stand by.
Okay, all right, y'all. So this is the test. So before, when the car would turn on, you would hear a. So now here we go.